Hi guys, I'm back again with another vlog. And at the same day ko itong shoot. Yes, so wait lang. Kasama natin si Grizzly. So for sure, pinindot nyo to kasi ini-stalk nyo ako. Hindi. Gusto nyo malaman yung high school life or yung hindi high school senior high school. Ibig ko sabihin, no? Hindi high school life. Senior high school life na for a grade 10, for those who are grade 10 at the moment, ano. Nakakatakot isipin na ito ka na naman, you would take another step forward towards sa college and towards to your dreams, ano. If I were to say as someone who is taking Humes Strand, yun, mag-edu ako guys, magti-teacher ako, and for those who would take psychology, no, sa mga magti-take na whatever it is na related sa strand na Humes, I would probably say na hindi siya mahirap, hindi rin siya nakakatakot, hindi rin siya nakakaba. Gets nyo ba? I mean, nakakaba siya, pero hindi siya really something big of adjustment na kailangan mo. Unless na lang napupunta ka sa ibang school, no? After that, after a while, wala din talaga eh. Hindi na kailangan mag-adjust. Hindi ko na kailangan pa mag-adjust ng sobrang laki. Kasi, wala. Siguro, I'm really someone who is a social butterfly. Kaya, hindi naman din talaga ako nahihirapan makapag-socialize sa ibang tao. Pero, may times para na syempre mahihirapan ka. Hindi naman laging madali. Alam yun, na every step of the way ay madali. Meron mga times na maiiyak. Mapapagod ka. Parang lang din, junior high. Ganon. Pero, hindi na yung as much as harder than it was before. Parang ganon. Parang para sa akin in my own insights, na hindi na talaga siya masyadong mahirap, kung tutuusin. Lalo na if siguro nanggaling kayo sa school na medyo may mga strict teachers or may mga strict rules or madaming pinapagawa, ganon, hindi na kayo mahihirapan pa. As someone who is very much easily so pressured sa buhay, easily so, alam mo yun, so caught up sa feelings ko or sa feelings sa surroundings ko, I would say pretty much kinakaya ko naman. Alam niyo yun, it's just that talagang you have to handle some people talaga. Those people. Other persons na would really have you just have to really handle those kind of people na makukulit, alam mo yun. In my class, daming immatures. Pero, you know, that's life. Madaming ganun talaga sa buhay. Hindi mo naman maiiwasan. So, if you're really scared to take or to try or to take another step forward towards your dreams, closer to your dreams, don't be afraid kasi, I mean, hindi ko man kayo masisisi na na you are afraid. It's part of the plan. It's part of the plan. It's part of the life of our lives na papalapit na tayo na papalapit. So it's okay. It's okay to feel that way, pero just enjoy kasi that's life. Na mahihirapan ka, pero after all of those hard works, hardships, at maiiraos mo yung lahat. At the end, you would say, I did it. Alam mo yun, na you would look back to those times na, to this time na nag-struggle ka, pero tatawanan mo na lang yun in the future. Parang sasabihin mo, wow, nahirapan ako doon, pero andito ako. Yung ganun, na instead of shedding tears of sadness, of loneliness, you would shed tears that is happiness, pure happiness, and pure of fulfillment in heart. So, laban lang, kapit lang, kasi that is where life starts. Pag nagpunta ka na pagtapos ka ng college, that is where is the real world. That is where the real world is. Andun talaga yung totoong buhay na madadaming full of people, na different kinds of people na meet mo, different kinds of friends, bosses, relationships, no, with people in general, not just boyfriend, girlfriends, gano'n. And yun, hindi ko naman masasabi na alam ko lahat, pero I just wanted to share my insights kasi the last June and July, I was that kind of person na nahihirapan ako, na overthink ako sa buhay, na what if, ganito, ganyan, what if hindi ko kayanin, anong mangyayari sa senior high school ko. If you are me, no, if you're like me, this is for you, na enjoy it, kasi it's pretty much nothing compared to junior high school. Parang wala naman talagang pagbabago, parang nag-step up ka lang ng grade, parang ganun lang. Full of tears, full of anger, full of happiness, full of disappointments, full of, everything all at once. Pero at the end of the day, you can do it. You will lift up all the struggles in your life and you will be fine. And if ever man na excuse me, mga friends ako dyan na nanonood, or not family literally, kasi wala akong sinabihan, friends, family, friends, if ever you're watching this, it's okay to cry, it's okay to feel disappointed, it's okay to feel scared, it's okay to feel all over the place, kasi tao tayo ba, hindi naman tayo ginawa ng Diyos o nilikha ng Diyos para maging perfect. It's okay to feel down. It's okay to feel like you're not winning in life. Pero, always remember na hindi sila nauuna. We all have our own paces in life. You may think like they're nauuna, but they may think like you're nauuna. So, it's the perspective in our lives na si ganito mas mataas sa akin, si ganito mas mataas sa akin. It's a matter of perspective. And lahat tayo mananalo in our own times. Just trust in Him, trust in yourself, and do your best in everything. So, yun. Kasi alam ko yung feeling na yun, yung takot kang sumugal, takot kang to get out of that comfort zone of yours. Pero it's okay. We're all going to be okay. Yun lang. Yun lang yung vlog ko dito. Yun lang naman talaga yung gusto kong sabihin sa mga tao. And na dapat talagang gagawin ko na to ng many times pa talaga. So, salamat pala po sa mga nanood nung silent vlog ko nang magsistart pa lang yung school. August 7 ko yata pinost yun or what. Pero thank you po so much for those who watched. Dahil nagkaroon na ng ads. First time na may ads yun. And hindi ko po nilagay yun. Pero still, I still thank you guys. Kaya may ads, kaya may pera or wala, hindi ko habol yun. Thank you lang. Thank you lang na nag 100 views. Just a simple thank you for those people who watched it. Yun lang. Salamat lang. Kasi, pinanood nyo. Yun. And sana ma-avail ko yung comments dito. Para if ever man na may, asumero ko, no? Pero if ever man may mga taong gusto mag-request, kaya kong gawin na video, no? I would try. Para sasayin natin lahat. Yes, vlogging is my therapy. So, yun lang guys. Peace and thank you for watching.